Welcome back to the Ethics Segment, Part 1. BCBAs, here's the scenario. Your supervisee starts becoming a close personal friend. You got out socially, talk about the stress, and now you're also responsible for evaluating their performance. What do? First, pause and identify the risk. Can this relationship affect your judgment, feedback, evaluation, or even the supervisee's ability to disagree with you? Second, communicate this concern clearly. This is not about being cold or unfriendly. This is about protecting the supervisory relationship. Third, set boundaries. That might mean limiting social contact, changing how feedback is given, or involving another supervisor. Fourth, document what happened, what steps were taken, and how the risk will be monitored. The ethical issue is not, are we friends? But the issue is whether the relationship could create a conflict of interest or affect supervision. Supervisors have power. That means we have to protect the supervisees, the client, and the integrity of the supervision process. So possible applicable BACB codes. 1.11, multiple relationships. 1.13, coercive and exploitative relationships. 4.04, accountability in supervision. Drop in the comments if you agree or if you will add or remove any ethics code. See you in scenario number 2.